Excuse me. Are you Lily?
Yeah.
Oh, hi. I'm Stacy Jones. I'm manager here. Your grandpa's very upset. You must have gotten on the wrong train. I better take you back to Muffle Mountain.
Thank you.
Oh, Billy. The trains are all late today. We're gonna have to redo the schedule. There's so many problems since Mr. C left.
Oh, what old buddy?
Is he your dog?
Mm-hmm.
And is this where he lives?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he came all the way from the city with me. He's the reason I'm here. I followed him onto the wrong train.
So what's all this about, Mutt? Hmm?
Billy, this is Burnett Stone's granddaughter, Lily.
Howdy.
That's Junior, the little man who lives in the wall. Do you know him?
Uh-huh.
It's been a while since he's been around.
Come on, Lily. I'm gonna drive her to Burnett.
Good idea. I'll fix the schedule.
Stacy? What does shining time mean?
Oh, it's an old railroad expression. Shining time. It's when the train starts and the wheels spin. It's the beginning of a journey. Aww.
Stacy, I don't think I did get the wrong train. I think I got the right one. And I think I'm beginning to find out why. Stacy, did you know my grandma?
My mother did. She said Tasha was a wonderful dancer.
I think Grandpa liked to call Grandma Lady.
Lady?
Yes, I heard him say that name when they were talking.
I wish... Oh, never mind.
That, engine. She's in that mountain, isn't she?
Even if she were, she'd be no good to you now.
You're wrong, Burnett Stone. Just like you're always wrong. I'll tell you what she's good for. And one thing only. I'm going to tell you what that is. She's good for scrap. Look at that, Burnett Stone.
Who's that man with Grandpa?
A man who doesn't like beauty. Hello, Burnett.
Stacy. Hello, Lily.
Hi, Grandpa.
Well, have a good evening, Burnett.
Thanks, Stacy.
Stacy. You said I wish.
I wish? Oh, yes. I wish you'd come back and see us tomorrow at Shining Time. If your grandpa lets you.
Hey, Grandpa, I saw this really cool guy down at the station. He was really little and kind of... golden. Can you believe that?
I used to believe that. Now I'll only believe what I can see. Come on.
Billy, I've been wondering about this photograph ever since Lily showed it to me.
You know, Burnett and Boomer had a big quarrel about an engine. Then Boomer left town and we didn't see him again. Till now.
Did you ever see the engine?
No, never. But I believe she is, if she still exists, important to Burnett and to this valley. Burnett had three passions in his life: Tasha, trains, and this valley.
Billy, you know when Mr. Conductor blows his whistle for his sparkles? Well, I've always taken it for granted that's all he needs to get to the island of Sodor. But maybe he also uses a secret railroad. And maybe the beauty that winnows all around us is because of the gold dust. And because of the secret railroad and this mysterious engine is connected to all of this somehow. Oh, Billy. Look at the bouquet tree. It's losing all its blossoms. It's much too early for that.
Much time. Well, I'm gonna feel like the sun. Good night, Stacy.
Good night, Billy.
No man's gonna stop for